Today we are going to be creating a treasure map. We're going to start by putting our name and the day of the week on the back of our paper. Once we have our paper turned over, we are going to tear each edge of the paper. Notice how I'm doing small little tears, not big rips. When we do big rips, we don't have control over where the tear is going to go. As I have my fingers together, I have more control over those teeny tiny rips. Once I have it all done, I get to decide which direction my paper is going to go for my map. It does not matter which way you choose. You're going to pick one corner to draw your compass rose. It can be the bottom, it can be the top, it can be the left, it can be the right. It does not matter. You're going to draw each section of your compass rose and then add the north, the south, the east, and the west. Now that your compass is done, you can add the X. X marks the spot. It can be anywhere on your paper, in the middle, in a corner, at an edge. It is really up to you. Now we need to add some obstacles. What kind of things would you encounter while hunting for your treasure? Here I have a sunken ship. Maybe I ran into something and my ship got destroyed, and that's how I got on the island. Notice you need to press hard. If you press too lightly, it's not going to work. Press hard with your crayon. You need to add 3 to 4 obstacles until you get to your treasure. Once you have your obstacles drawn, you're going to do your dashed line to show the route, which directions you need to go in order to find that treasure. Now it's time to paint to make our maps look old. So we are going to use some water and we are going to use some brown paint to do this. You want your brown paint nice and light. So once I get my brush juicy, I'm going to touch the water again to make that brown lighter before I start painting. Oh no, that brown is way too dark. So I add more water to it, still too dark. More water, still too dark. More water until it's a nice light color. Spread that color over your whole map, all the way to the edges. Each part of that map should get painted right over top of those black lines. There we have our treasure map.